Ano yung pagkain or restaurant na kakaiba yung sarap dahil kinalakihan nyo? Hey friends, madalas kami kumain sa Ursaw Banawe ng mga kapatid ko growing up. Yung after dinner, magkakayayaan mag-snacks and drinks. I can't remember the last time na nakapag-Ursaw ako, so nakaka-excite to finally be back, pero dito sa Robinsons Metro East Branch. Pagpasok ng mall from the LRT station, ayan na siya. Of course, we got the spicy pork snacks. Nakaka-addict to kahit yung fried basil. Not crispy but super tender and flavorful hanggang loob. Ako nakaubos nito. Another surprising favorite is their maki noodles. First time trying this one and panalo, a comforting dish. Ang sarap ng lasa niya, very Chinese. Love the thick noodles and yung mga sahog, simot na simot to ni Lovey. Yung soy-based dumplings and yung perfectly toasted radish cake nila, not the best but not bad at all na, especially for the price. Solid snack choices to. Now, if you want a full meal, maybe try this chicken steak bendong. Taiwan style din yung luto and lasa ng chicken. Yung rice lang medyo malata today. Of course, pag